Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear children. How are you? The story I am going to tell you today is of a magician. He is doing magic tricks. It is abracadabra. Once I was passing by a market. Some people were assembled there. They were watching him doing magic tricks. I also stopped and watched the whole scene, which was very much interesting, amazing, and astonishing. Dear children, the magician was doing tricks with the help of a handkerchief. His hands were covered with white gloves. He showed his hands to the crowd. These were empty. He put the handkerchief into the sleeves, turned to us back, then soon he turned straight and showed his hands, which were empty. But soon there were 6, 7 pigeons chirping close to him. Wow, I said. The crowd clapped with joy and happiness. The magician showed his handkerchief in his hands. Then he moved back and turned straight, showed the 6 or 7 knotted handkerchiefs were taking out in a line. Wow! What a magic trick! Then he showed his hands were empty, but after some time, some currency of different countries were coming out from his sleeves. The crowd excited and again clapped. Oh, it is magic and wonderful abracadabra. There was a girl who was lying down in a box. He shut the door behind, then he took out a sword and thrust it inside the box. Wow, the most terrible trick. Oh, the crowd is stunned, and we were praying for the girl's safety. But then he opened the door, the girl was smiling, and thanks God she was safe. Wow, what a terrible magic trick. I also clapped with the crowd and enjoyed the tricks a lot. Dear children, how did you enjoy the story today? I think you must enjoy it. It is much for today. Okay, bye.